Assalamu alaikum viewers, happy Eid. And today's reading is for zodiac Cancer, and in June 2020 what is going to be happen to you, what is going to happen to Cancers in June 2020. At the bottom of the deck you have the Ace of Cup, lot of love. Somebody, you are loved by someone, somebody is going to love you. Your psychic abilities are going to improve. Yes, that's what's in this card. Okay, now I'm going to start your reading from this card. Okay, you are juggling something, you are not going to decide what is good for you. Yes, there is two ships over there, and one is big and one is small one. You are not going to decide which one you want to have, which one is good for you. You are juggling over something, you are going to decide something and you are not going to be able to decide it. Yes, that's what is over here for you. Cancers, how you are like this over maybe someone who love you, over someone's love. You are not deciding, you are not able to decide which one you have to choose, which one is good for you. Okay, what else? Eight of Wands, and this is going very fast. This is going to happen very soon. This is going to happen very soon. You have to prepare for it, you have to decide it. It's fast. What next for you? Temperance, you have to be patient for something. There is the sun coming towards you, coming, you have to wait for it to be in that sky. And you are going to heal by something. Maybe someone is not feeling well, sick, going through the bad time, and you are going towards your good time. You have to these things have to take some time. You have to be patient now. Okay. What about this things? Yes, you have to be strengthful. Yes, take your time. Be a brave boy, be a brave girl, whoever you are. Be brave, fight over your problems. Yes, what next? Some kind of blockage, there's some kind of blockage for you. Yes, and I think that mostly it's because of your thinkings, your own deeds, because of your own things. Because they are this girl is blocking herself um, at her back, or maybe they are defending herself from the others, the bad guys. That why she is so bonded over here. What is the situation over here for my dear Cancer? Over some kind of success or maybe marriage problem. I think that this blockage is for a marriage problem or some kind of success. You don't see them that they are good for you, isn't it? Or maybe you think that they are going to do something to you, or not them, or their relatives. Someone is not good for you. That's what you are thinking. But this is a situation. Uh, this is turning into a good situation. If you can break this blockage, you have the happy home life, the life partner, kids, pets, food, money, parents, happiness, abundance. Yes, you are going to have a soulmate. They are your soulmate. They are good for you. if their relatives are bad to you, but this person is very good for you, they are thinking about you, uh, they are good friend for you, they are not going to deceive you, they have their heart over their head. Yes, they have the hurt over their head. They love you, they like you, they want you. Go towards them. Don't think of the blockages, the dangers, hardships. Go towards them. Go and get them. They are good for you. Yes, be like a fool. This is for the brave man. Universe is telling you that you have to be brave. Go, get them. Don't think anything. I am with you. The higher authorities are with you. Allah is with you. God is with you. Do it. They are telling you. They are forcing you to do it. Do it. Don't be afraid. This situation is now it is looking that this is not good for you, but in the end it is good for you. That person that you are going to marry, they are good for you. Look at that person. They are not afraid of anything. They know that they have to fall in this from this mountain, but they are not going to think anything. They are just seeing over their loved ones, over their soulmates. They think that if they are going towards through this thing, these things, then they can going to get them. Yes. And hermit, now this is your energy. You are now alone. No one is with you. You are alone in your thinkings. What is this? Yes, you are alone in your thinking. You have the keys to open that door. You have these keys. Use it. Use them. Two keys are fallen over here. Maybe something is bad happened to you, through you. You have done something bad, but that is not that bad. It's going to be good if you use these keys for to open your door towards them. Open your door, please. They are good to you. Please look in the light of this candle. Look at the way, the path you have to go through. Yes. What next? Are they going to do it? Will they decide that? Yes. You are still not doing anything. Still protecting yourself. You are still in the past. Thinking about the past. Thinking about them. The good time you have spent with them. Yes. But you are not moving forward. Why? Why you are not? You want to defend something good. Queen of Wands. You are protecting someone over here. What else? Your good time, you are protecting that, yeah, or remembering that. Once again, you have the Ace of Cups. The cup is full of the water with love. Go towards them here. Queen of Pentacles. They are thinking about you like this Queen of Pentacles. They are going to fulfill their promise. They are going to take care of you. They love you. They love you. They are thinking about you. Yes. They have your photo in their lap, and they're thinking about you, just looking at your photo. Their all thoughts is for you, or for you. Yes, they are loyal to you. They are going to make your life, protect your life, think about you. Yes, they are good for you. Go towards them. You Now you know that they are good for you. Don't leave them. Don't go back. They are good for you. Yes. What else? If they are going to make it or not, my dear cancers. You are so alert over here. Yes, because you have something broken over here. You have the you in your past life, your home is going to break by someone. Maybe that's the person you are going to marry, or that is the person, uh, they are the relatives of them, and you don't like them, you hate them because they have done something bad to you that make your life disaster. That something happened in the past, in the past over here. What else? Yes, that make you, that had give you that sleepless nights, nightmares. You can't going to forget this. You're not able to forget it. You're having a bad time with this. Yes, you're not going to forget this. These things always going in your mind. You can see always going circling, circle, round and round. They are happening in your mind. Forget these things. Forget these things for your own happiness, for your own good. Forget it. If you keep thinking about it, you are not going towards your happiness, towards your happiness, towards your good time. Forget about it. This is the past. That is the future. That person loves you. Think about you. They are going to give you many more things. Their whole life, their whole love, their whole heart. They are going to give you these things. Please think for your future, not for your past. You can never change your past, but you can change your present and future with your good thinking. This is going to happen very, very, very soon over here. Over here, you have to decide it. Now you know that they are good for you. Decide it. Decide them. Pick them. Choose them. They are good for you. Yes, they are good for you. Choose them, or you're never going to make the better decision like this. You're still not going to choose. You're still thinking. You're not in, even you are not thinking about it. You're playing with something else. Yes, you have to be decided. But can you see that his one hand is tied to pole, and the other foot is tied to pole, and he is doing nothing. He is just talking to this bird. He is playing. He is making that nothing is bad over here. He don't want to think about it. It's not, this situation is not good for you. You have to make a decision. Yes, you're waiting for something. That's why you are not making any decision for your money, anything. You're not going to make this decision. This is the next thing to choose, but this is the thing that you have to decide. You have to choose now. Yes, think about your love life. Think about them. Four of Cups. You're thinking that they are not good for you. Yes, you're not happy with them. Whenever you are thinking about them, you think that this thing happened to you in the previous life. Before this thing has happened to you, they are also doing this thing to you again. But this is not the situation. What else is going to happen to you? Yes, a happy home life. love, with care, with uh, um, protection, happy home life. I'm not going to see any more thing with this. You have to decide it. You have to choose them. Yes, it's up to you. If you want to make your life happy, you have to decide, you have to choose them, you have to choose this person. If you don't want your life happy, or you have to destroy your life by your own hands, then do what you ever want. Think about this past. If you don't want to make anything happy for you, if you want your life happy, then choose them. Choose this thing, this life. They're enjoying their life. Father, mother, kids, they are all enjoying their life. Look over here. Don't think about the past. Think about your present. Think about your future. They are your present. They are your future. That's good for you. Yes. There are these three cards for you. Yes. For the healing. They are going to heal you. They are going to make your life like these roses, these flowers, these beautiful singing birds. Yes. They are your soulmate, a friend, um, friend forever. They are making your life so beautiful. They are healing you. They are going to make you forget these all bad things that happen to you. They are taking you away from these nightmares. Go choose them. They are good for you. You are not thinking. You are not. You don't know that what is good for you. They are good for you. These cards are telling you that they are good for you. Please listen to them. Badger. Badger. What is badger? Here, badger over here. Who is the badger? Badger is a animal, guardian of self, self guardian. You have to guard yourself. This situation needs your own help. This is not going to be happen without your help, without your thinking. You have to think about it. You have to do something for this. Guardian of self, bold, brave, outgoing, good communicators, aggression. You are not need to huge and powerful to remark your bravery. It's the attitude what makes the difference. Your skill is your power. You are not going to make these things by your anger, by your revenge. You are going to be like plight hearted. You are going to marry them. You are going you have to love them. You have to marry them. That's what uh, this situation needs. Then when you have the peaceful time in your life, yes, balance your professional and affectional affairs. Walk on your own path. Overcome your challenges. Shine. Let know others what you are capable of. Grounded, strong will, defense and protection. In time, in times of in times of crisis, takes action. Self reliance. Do not get yourself down when others want to get you. You are a competitor. Learn to look at things beneath the surface. Badger is had luck to someone. Be honest to yourself. Oh, do what makes you happy. Strong will, intuitive, powerful, passionate. Take care of loved ones. Do what best for you. Determined, focused, known. Now, uh, know what's important. Aggressive, self-reliable, bold, brave, loyal, protective. territorial. Do not afraid of your boundaries or those who you love. Fierce competitor spirit cannot back down from challenges you are given to. Extremely capable, fearless. Uh, yes, fearless, extremely loyal to friends, great sense of humor, not too tense. You have to be loyal to them, they are loyal to you. Look, there is a dog. Oh, sorry guys, today I can't handle it. Okay, there is the dog at the foot of that lady. They are so lovable that the others are loving them, others are befriend with them. They are so beautiful, they are so kind. You have to be with them. Okay, natural leader, follow your passion. Old soul who is wise enough not hesitate. Bad traits, highly emotional when things are not going in your way, you destroy it. Yes, you are not destroying it. Don't think like this. Go towards them, do something to have them in your life. Tough and hard to break outside. Yes, complicated and fragile from my inside. They are not like to told what to do, think they are always be right, but feel no problem to honor those who are wise, talented and religious, hard in love and relationship, jealous and possessive, create drama, roller others emotions, always want to be incontrollable, need to dig deeper to find the truth. If it disappoint you, do not let go the search for the truth, please. Yes, do not let go the search for the truth, please. Being challenged by your own fears. Fear should not keep you live the life you destined to live. Must learn to control your emotions. Now you can see that fears should not keep you live the life you destined to live. Don't be fear from them, don't fear of that thing, that they are going to break your heart, they are going to break your um, house, your happy home life. They are not like that person. They are loyal to you, they are in love with you. Must learn to control your emotions. You have to control your emotions by these, by the by this card. You have to learn how to control your emotions. Electric eel. Yes, with this electric eel, long body, big mouth, tiny eyes, poisonous, light or shock of electricity, most powerful energy, even kill the horse, dangerous, sharp teeth. Your thinking are like this eel. It is bad for you, your own luck, your own good. It is bad for your own. Sharp teeth. Okay, get away all small things in their path. They are cruel, they are not thinking about anyone. I think this is for you. You are now in this condition, you are like an electric eel. Change your energy, change into something else, change into like this dog or this squirrel, thinking about others. Yes, cruel, harmful, clever, but burst but control temper, putting smile on face and stinging others. Live in darkness, dark qualities, others cannot or does not recognize them. Poor eyesight, wicked, charge energy to look around, make way to take safe steps, stay away from them. Flathead. Yes, I want to take some more cards. This, what is happening today? These energies are making me mad today. What's the next? What's the advice for them? What is the advice for them? Yes. What is the advice for them? Ghost of the past. The past returns for you a time. With them, their relatives, they have someone had done to you something bad. They are coming towards you also. Be alert with them. Angel of time, working too hard. You are working too hard. Now you are protecting yourself, and by protecting yourself from these persons that have mask over their faces, that they have deceived you, they have done something bad to you. You are protecting yourself from them, and you are doing very hard work in that situation. And you also forget about your own self, your own happiness, your own love. Look at her eyes is bulging with glowing with anger. They are red. Don't be like this person. You have to change little bit for your own self, for your own good. Okay, uh, leave this hard working type things for small time, and get them. Whenever you get them, they are going to change your life. And they are uh, also they are not at that time when you have them, they are not that powerful at that time. She is or he is their dear one, and they love them. Because of them, they also love you. They also love you. Okay, that's what I am getting from here. Get them to change them. Okay, if you want to change them, then get them. Okay, this is reading for you, the Cancer, in June 2020. I don't think that you are going to make any decision in this June, but I think that you have the advice or the knowledge to you have what you have to do for your own good. Yes. Now this is your reading for today, and with lots of good wishes. Please like, share, subscribe this reading. I like it if you do it for me. Okay, and with lots of good wishes. Bye.